Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled, She Punches a Cop. Now she faces the consequences by police release.
On March 29th, 2025, officers approached a woman who was parked illegally in a tow zone in front of a fire hydrant.
Now, you know you can't be parking in front of a fire hydrant, bro.
Yeah, hey, come on out.
My car?
Yeah, you. Officer Ranger, Cook County Sheriff's Police. You got your driver's license?
Okay,
You work, but you got a car. You just got done. You live in Iowa.
I don't live in Iowa. I live in Chicago. Today's my birthday.
Okay, that's fine. Your car's getting towed.
Okay.
You got a picture? Let me
No,
let me
it's
see
my
your
boyfriend. I just drove down here to get me some shoes.
keys. Gotcha. Stop over
Okay.
there. Let me see the keys to the car, please.
Okay.
Wait.
I'm
What are
getting-
you doing?
I'm getting my
Man, what the hell is she doing?
ID out the purse right there.
Okay.
Why don't you give the officer your name and birthday?
Okay, Dage Loaf. Half a loaf. I see ya.
There. Hold on.
I'm gonna explain to you what's
What
happening.
happened? The car is wanted.
Would you hold on? Would
Okay.
you please get your license?
My birthday was just yesterday.
We don't. This is an ID.
Oh, God. Now she's drunk.
Where's your driver's license?
Who? I don't have it.
So why are you
Why you just say it was...
driving?
Schaefer, let me
I
get.
just was around the
Come on, Baldy. Don't get mad now.
corner. I've been driving this car for 2 days. I'm telling you the truth. I'm telling you the truth. I
Listen.
just rode right here to get my
Jasmine,
shoes.
Jasmine.
Yes.
Jasmine, hold on. Take a breath. Let's all take a breath.
Okay, what happened?
All right? Well, you're illegally parked. You're parked in front of a fire
Fire
hydrant.
hydrant.
Yeah. You can't be doing that.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay. Are these your house keys?
Yes.
Okay. This is the car key?
Here's everything. My purse, my card.
Wait,
I'm
wait.
sorry.
Hold on.
Ray, give me your ID.
Shout out to the officers trying to take control of the situation and be a gentleman.
Yeah, I'd rather make clear for warrants.
Yeah, I mean, you can't do that in no fucking city in America. That's common
Hold
shit.
on to this, okay? Just hold on to that for now.
Hi, miss, come here.
I'm trying
Over
to
here. I know I've had enough.
Bro,
Wow, why is he yelling at her? That's the one that was aggressive, right?
Now you're going to jail.
I'm not.
Oh,
There you are. Hold on. You fight me. And you
I didn't.
all right. Who was wrong in this situation? The cop that was already being aggressive with her, or was she wrong for punching at him? You know what I'm saying? Matching his energy. What do you guys think?
I'm finna go get my ID.
I'm going to tase you.
I was. I don't have it.
Relax.
Oh, she a woman, bro. You ain't got a taser. Y'all can't take down a woman. Come on now.
hold the air. Hold the air.
Okay.
Hold the air. Ray, hold it.
What does hold the air mean?
Fine.
Is that like Chicago slang? What the fuck is hold the air?
Yeah, hold the air.
Get her in cuffs.
I know. I've tried to, Ray.
She's fighting with us.
I didn't. I tried to go get the ID.
Tell me you did that behind the camera. Are you kidding me? Connie, can I have one subject?
I didn't do
Christ.
nothing. I was gonna get the ID. You scared me. Talking about don't go get no ID, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, that cop was like super aggressive, bro. Like it's a fucking fire hydrant, bro.
I got her. Come over
Man,
here.
he
Stand right
done
here.
unbuttoned my shirt.
Stand right here.
Can you?
Stand right here.
I didn't do nothing to you.
Stand right here.
He pushed my head into you.
You shouldn't have fought at them cops though, bad.
Can you help me? Okay. You want me to be calm?
Open up here. Subject is detained.
Can you button my shirt up?
One second. Okay, what I'm gonna do, okay, I'm gonna take you to the car. Okay, we got body cameras on.
Can you button my shirt up?
I don't want to touch your shirt. I'm gonna get a female over
Can you pull it, just pull it
No,
close?
no. We're not
Yeah, he can't touch you, bad.
gonna do that. Come on over here so we can get in the car, okay?
He's
Yeah, bald head. He was like super aggressive from the jump though.
trying to fight me.
Or white shirt. He probably a sergeant. Or undercover. 'Cause he not wearing regular clothes.
Get in the car. Backseat.
Cook County? Where's Cook County, y'all? Is that Chicago? Atlanta? Where the fuck is Cook County? I've heard of it.
Unlock the door, please, Ross.
Bro.
Have a seat, sweetheart. Thank you.
You me and Hennessy, look what you did to.
Appreciate it.
She do look like Days Loaf though, with a little fine ass.
Yeah, 10-4 active warrant.
Oh, she had an active warrant.
All right, 10-4. Yes. Yeah.
All these people was watching, or they trying to get across the street? Cause I see a little bit of nosiness. I would have been sweeping the sidewalk trying to see what was going on.
Yeah. Yeah. Ray, can I get your keys? Can I get your key? I'm gonna Mirandize her. Thank you.
Go ahead. It's unlocked.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or would be used against you in a court of law.
Hold on, she going in the back of his car? Oh, fuck.
You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, we'll only provide it to you at no cost to you. You have the right to have this lawyer with you while you are being questioned. You have a right not to make any statements,
Can't even get it out because you trying to be an asshole.
nor answer any questions. You're being charged with aggravated battery.
And they searching the car?
Thank you, Ray. She get me? Yeah.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. You was being a little aggressive. Like, come on, that's a female, bro.
Here's the keys to the car.
You know she went to bite me.
Keys to the car.
They both was wrong though. Both parties.
When you do a tow sheet? Tow sheet? Give me the phone.
They right here, the police. That's my sister.
Take care of less. You're in custody. You don't get to use your phone. God forbid someone shows up here too.
Yeah, what happened?
Why they so aggressive? Is this like a bad area? Is Cook County like a bad county? Like, what's going on?
A toll turned into that.
I just got it. I was knocking out paperwork.
Why everybody ain't got on police outfits? That shit weird.
Thanks, Brad.
They got like on regular clothes or something.
Hey, Luke. Yeah, she tried fighting us. So I'm gonna transport. She's got.
Oh, she not in his car. Okay.
I tried to run out
I thought that was the dude, Steve Wilkos. Oh shit.
and he pushed me into his arm when they grabbed me. I never bit you. I never bit you.
Okay, this is why we have body cameras. You all
Oh,
right?
she in a nice cop's car. Okay.
Never bit you.
Yeah, I'm fine. Well, we got body cameras. That's you get. All right?
He got on black forces. Oh yeah, he undercover for sure.
Need medical attention. So it's not extraditable.
What? It's non-extraditable.
That's what Cruiser said.
I didn't do anything.
So, this is great.
4 10-4 stop at the 28 John.
All right.
33, 32,
Go down
go
there.
up through info.
She wants to apply that.
She's parked in a tow zone at a fire hydrant.
You got any tickets or anything on this?
We'll figure it out.
So I'd say thank you.
Now you gotta go get the tetanus shot. I ain't gonna lie, I would not want to get bit for no fucking reason, just for trying to take somebody to jail. Like, come on, bro.
Why are we, none of us have ever written a citation. Huh? None of us have ever written a citation. You just told her car.
If she would be blocking, but yeah, man, about this, it's just, I would just write, probably hide it. About that.
Do we got to use the force, Mike?
Yeah, for sure. Unless you want to review it.
I'm asking.
Well,
Mike, we're going to use the force.
yeah, we're going to do your sports back. Give me a sec, all right, guys? Why did you run? Why did you run away?
They like, man, you always just a bullshit. What really happened? That's what I got from it.
Hey, Ray, you put the window down? Ray,
For what?
put the window down?
Why, what's up?
I'm going to ask you why she ran. Can you
Y'all scared me. I'm trying to use something, but I just used something. I was going to go get proof.
I want to know why you ran away.
Because I was going to get proof that
Miss, you ran away, and you ran away because I scared you?
Yes.
Did you know you had this
You was being mad aggressive though, bro.
warrant, right?
From Will County, I've been through there.
Okay.
There was nothing to that.
So how'd you get here? You drove?
I drove from my house. Yesterday was my birthday. I only came down here to Nike to grab me some shoes. I was gonna go back home. I wish I just Ubered. I don't even drive that car. I drove it today. I never drove that car.
Who owns that car?
My boyfriend.
Oh.
Your boyfriend ain't shit for letting you drive a car that got some warrants on it.
Did you know your driver's license was suspended?
Hell yeah, she knew it.
Okay.
The woman was taken into custody
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. Hold on, we got to see the charges.
on her warrant and additionally charged with aggravated battery on a peace officer,
So two.
resisting arrest, and driving with a suspended license.
Ooh, that's like 3 of them bitches. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well. And that's it. We're out.